Hi, Nick here from MedTech World with Gordon Wishart and with Check4Cancer. You've just given a keynote speech. How did it go? How did it go down?
Well, I think it went well. I was a bit surprised because I was expecting there to be a lectern there, and I got there and there's just me. But it went fine. In fact, I met some really interesting people afterwards, so I think the two conversations I had then probably make the whole trip worthwhile.
Cool. I guess the lack of the lectern, it removes that barrier between you and the people, right?
Yeah, I think that's right. But the saving grace is they do have screens in front of you so you can see what's coming up next, and that's really important.
You're saying the two people you talk to after, that could be what makes the event for you. I guess that's what these conferences are about. It could be any one engagement or relationship could be the one, right?
Absolutely, because we're in a slightly different position. We're an established, profitable company. We're not a startup. So our reason for coming here was to look for partners that could help us commercialize our product outside the UK. And in fact, somebody approached me afterwards and said, you really ought to submit this for an accelerator in the US.
Cool. Give us your accelerator pitch.
Accelerator pitch.
Accelerator pitch.
Okay, yeah. So we have a perfect storm in skin cancer. We have a rising skin cancer incidence globally and global shortages of nurses, dermatologists, skin cancer surgeons. So we've run a very successful teledermatology pathway for the last 5 or 6 years. It reassures people quickly or tells them they need to come for more investigations. So what we've done is we've used all the data, our own data from that over the last 5 or 6 years, and we've built an AI model to help with skin lesion classification so that if you had an image taken of something you were worried about, very quickly we could say you're fine, or actually we'd like you to come for a further assessment and maybe a biopsy. So that's
you're making that transition. It's human at the moment,
yes.
But maybe this is a skill as the company ages, those people, maybe that skill might be lost, and AI is there to.
That's absolutely right. And so we've harnessed all their capability in decision making in this AI model, and that's really important. And in fact, we've benchmarked it against published results of how good a kind of face-to-face assessment is with a healthcare professional using dermoscopy, which is a magnifying glass, and our results are better than that. And I think that's how AI should be measured, not necessarily just against your competitors. How does it compare with human reporting? Because everybody expects AI to be 100%. Humans are fallible, they miss cancers, and we need to make sure that we're on a par with that. I actually think we're better than that, but yes.
You have to be. Cool. So anyway, there, and your background is in cancer, right?
Yes, that's right. So I was a breast cancer surgeon, but I also come from a kind of clinical research background. So I've always been involved in research. So this project to build the AI model was a collaboration with the University of Essex. But because of my background, I was able to have input to that as well. And I think the important thing is we defined the problem we wanted to solve, and then we got these academics to help us deliver a solution. Very often you get technology that's developed and then they think, what are we going to do with this? Who can we get to use this? Whereas I think we did it the right way around.
Cool. Well, I hope those 1 to 5, probably by the end of it, those conversations are going to lead to your acceleration. And I guess you're rolling out into the international market, global.
That's the plan. And that's why we're here, to look for partners that can help us do that.
Wonderful. You've been fantastic. Thanks for being with us here.
Thank you very much.
Nicholas signing off from MedTech World.